Removing a memory module. Before replacing a PMEM, refer to the SE450 maintenance menu for backup and security steps. Remove the following components in the order they are listed below. If applicable, the security bezel, the top covers, the air baffle. Locate the memory module to be removed and remove the corresponding components. To remove a DIMM from slots 6 to 10, remove riser 1. To remove a DIMM from slots 1 to 5, remove riser 2. Then open the retaining clip to disengage the memory module. Hold both ends of the memory module and then lift it up from the slot.